What's up, you guys? Happy Saturday. A new vlog, y'all. Time has came to an end in Mobile, Alabama. We're about to hit the road. We're in the backseat. We got all our stuff, and we're about to hit the road, you guys. Back to Atlanta we go. I'm so happy, but I'm ready to get this drive over with. But I just want to come on here and just speak with you guys. And I had a good and amazing time with my family. Thanksgiving was just everything. The food, I just ate me some more gumbo. The food, everything was just buzzing, y'all. I'm just so like thankful for that. But yes, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and just end the vlog and just show y'all, tell y'all I really enjoyed myself last night at the thing. I will add some clips and show y'all everything that went down. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I will see you guys in the next video, in the next vlog or whatever. But I love you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like it, and share it. Also share it to your friends, your family, anybody. Just share the video. And also yeah, the next stop y'all to be seeing is when me in Atlanta, because I'm ready to get back home. Okay, so yeah, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday, y'all. I'm back home. I didn't even vlog any, what was it? Maybe a shout out, but I didn't vlog anything when I got back home, y'all. I'm so tired. I ate, came home and went to sleep. But today is Sunday and I'm whispering because I'm about to take Mariah somewhere. Y'all know I love surprising my baby. It don't be nothing major, but I just love like her not knowing. Yeah. So y'all, like literally, but we're about to go ice skating. She don't know, just something to do before she go back to school. Yeah, something simple. We never been, she never been, so I decided to, you know, go ahead and take her today. So that's where we're headed. But first, I wanted to show y'all what I did. Y'all, look, I spray painted. I wish I would have showed y'all the before and after of what I did. But this piece of art used to be my granddaddy's and it was blue. But I spray painted it. Hope y'all can see. I spray painted it black. I think this is so cute. It's like a, I don't know what is it called, but it's black. It used to be like a royal type blue, something like that. I don't know, but I should have showed y'all the before. But I spray painted it black, and I feel like I was gonna do it gold. That was my first intentions, but the gold wouldn't stick. I was gonna do black first and then cover it with the over the black. But then when I painted it, when that black hit, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna keep it black. I just love this. So I'm gonna get me like 2 nightstands for both sides, because I got the flower over there. But when I get my, because I'm trying to debate, do I want black nightstands or do I want white? But I'm thinking I'm gonna go with white. Yeah, I think I'm going with white. And I also got this blankie, which I love so much. So yeah, I don't want to show y'all my bed because I didn't make it up all the way. But yeah, I just love this right here. Thank you, Mom. But yeah, you guys, we're about to head out. Show y'all the outfit of the day. Nothing major, just some little this is a little 2-piece. It's got the jacket, but it's in the inside. And I got my ones on. It's like 55 degrees when I check the weather. And yeah, got my Louis bag, my fluffy, well not fluffy, but bubble jacket. Hopefully it's not too cold. And I got my little headband on. But yeah, you guys, so this is gold. So I'm bringing, my room is gonna be pretty much like neutral gold, black, and white. I'll give y'all a whole room tour once everything is like situated. But and then I want to get like the cover thing to cover this up, because I hate this. It annoys me. Let me turn this TV off. Yeah, so yes, you guys, I'll talk to you guys once we make it to the place. So you guys, we have made it to Atlantic Station. Hold this. Okay. Oh. Serious. Let's go this way. No, let's go this way so we can walk past everything. We like, oh, that's what you said? They got all the little shopping places. You like, why are we here? Is that what you're saying? Oh. These people look cute. In that little attire. Oh. Oh, this one. It smells like seafood.
That smells sushi. Oh, that's what
Will be a very special Christmas. Wait. You gonna go on the floor? Mariah, you want to see what it feels like first? I don't know where they get them from. Wait, please don't fall.
I need the finger.
I'm about to ask this lady. Come here. Is it okay? You need to cover your nose. Go that way. Where are you going? That way. Ooh. Mariah, where are you going the wrong way? Can you turn? Don't fall, please. You going the wrong way, honey. You leaving me. You leaving me. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Alright, I'm so scared. How did it feel? Ooh! Yes, I'm so scared. Wait, where are you going? I'm so scared. I'm so scared, Mariah. Like, what? No! Like how? Oh wow, he fell. We should have some gloves on.
No. Okay.
You talking about here? Is it cold?
The ice?
Yeah.
What was the thing?
Alright, go in front of me. No, you're trying to let go. Why are you trying to let go?
It's hard doing this thing.
It's really not. These little kids are doing it. I want to hold on to you, but I'm so scared I'm going to make you fall. Okay, I gotta get used to it. I ain't never did this before. So I just like gotta get used to it. I'm so scared. I can't. Sorry. Wait. How are they doing this? I'm gonna watch you go around. You gonna go by yourself? Cause I'm nervous, honey. I ain't got time to fall. But I'm gonna watch. I'm scared. This is not for me. Then you gonna go around and I watch you. Are you scared to go? Huh? Y'all, this is so hard. Super hard. You okay? This is so hard, y'all. How are you doing? What are you doing? mommy.
Hold my hand, mommy.
I'm got this. Come on, hold my hand, mommy. You just better not impress yourself. Get around there.
You want that for her?
Whoa. Wait, move. Having fun? What are you doing?
I told you why the plug got spit.
Y'all, so we slowly trying without the little thing. It's hard, but we trying. It's okay. Whoa. Whoa. You guys, so we sitting here. Mariah got some cocoa. I got me a pretzel with some mustard. What happened? What? Ooh, you spit it out. You is so silly, child.
I know what to do. I don't know what to let. Oh my tongue. I can still taste something. Okay, mommy?
Yeah, good thing you got napkins.
The weight on mine. Wait.
I'm about to taste this pretzel. You want to taste my pretzel? Of course you do.
I thought she was not going to ask out.
Is there sugar?
Here. You got marshmallows in there too.
Put my popsicle? I know.
You see me put them here?
No, you asked them. And when I look inside, I see one.
You do?
And a boomerang for you. And a boomerang.
Your food?
Yeah, that's real different.
Alright, y'all, so we about to eat this pretzel and then have fun. She cold, y'all. We about to eat so we can go and home and eat.
Pretty girl with some skills. I can be anything with all this melanin. Get to the